Topic 9. Electric fields. Part 1. Electric charge and electric field. Some basic stuff about charges. We know that inside an atom we have, first of all, protons and neutrons inside the nucleus, and on the outside electrons orbiting. Fundamental charges. The positive charge of a proton and the negative charge of an electron are equal and opposite. Charges are measured in coulombs. 1 coulomb of negative charge has that many electrons. And so the charge of 1 electron, or sometimes called electronic charge, is equal to 1 coulomb divided by that many electrons. And that gives you that much charge, that many coulombs, with a negative sign in front, meaning this is negative charge. And the charge of 1 proton is the same size, that many coulombs, but with a positive sign in front, meaning it's a positive charge. Electric forces, like charges repel, unlike charges attract. The reason why 2 like charges repel each other is because their electric fields interact with each other and produce a repulsive force. Similarly, the electric fields around these 2 charges interact with each other and produce an attractive force. You are to look up the definition of charge and the definition of coulomb. 2 types of charge. Only electrons and not protons can be removed or added to an atom. That's a very important point. Positive charge means a shortage of electrons. Negative charge means an excess of electrons. Look at this rod here. It has gained some electrons at this end, so this end is negatively charged. On the other hand, this rod here has lost some electrons at this end, so this end is positively charged. An atom with a positive charge, or you could call it a positive ion. This atom here has 6 protons in the nucleus, but has 5 electrons on the outside. So it's 1 electron short. So the overall charge of the atom is positive. It says here the atom has a charge of this charge here, which is the fundamental charge of a proton. An atom with a negative charge. This atom here has 6 protons, but 8 electrons. It has gained 2 extra electrons. So the atom has a charge of this much, which is a combined charge of 2 electrons. Concept of electric field. Definition of electric field is to be memorized. Electric field, like gravitational field, is a field of force. Electric field strength, symbolized by E, at a particular point, is a force per unit positive charge acting on a stationary point charge. In other words, it is a force experienced by 1 coulomb of positive charge placed at that point. Look at this diagram here. It shows that a positive charge of 1 coulomb has been placed at A, and this charge experiences a force of 2 newtons to the right. So we can say that the electric field strength at A is 2 newtons to the right.